dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about new lesson. It's about inscribed angles. So let's start. Today we're going to find the measure of the inscribed angle. Use the inscribed angles and their properties to solve the problems. So let's start here. If I ask you here the inscribed angle whose vertex is on a circle and whose sides contain chords of the circle. Let's see this here to make sure we understand it by the drawings. It will be better. So if I have here angle DEF, angle DEF, DEF. So this is what? This is an inscribed angle. So this inscribed angle I have here, can you see 2 points on here, the circle, and another point here. They intersect each other on a fixed point or a certain point, which is E. So this is what inscribed angle. What about DF here? DF, it's the intercepted arc. What about DF here, arc? Subtends here angle DEF. So subtends angle DEF, this means this an angle if its endpoints lie on the sides of the angle. Okay guys, let's see the rule here. So I got here some figures I have to focus. The measure of an inscribed angle is what? Is half again the measure of the intercepted arc. So what are you talking about? Measure of angle ABC here is half of AC. Yeah, measure of angle ABC is half of what? The arc AC. In this case, the first case. What about the second case? You got here what? You got here case 2. As you see here, I have here BC here is this here side. It's the diameter here of the circle, because this side here passes the vertex of the center of the circle. This one we got here is what? They don't pass the center of the circle. So I have here the same ABC here, half AC, and here the center of the circle is outside here the arc. This means that also we got here ABC angle is equal half of the arc AC. Okay guys, let's have here questions to make sure we understand this. I got here find the measure of arcs of an inscribed angles. So find each measure here. Measure of what? Two things we got. Measure of angle PRU. Let's see, PRU, and what else? SP, and arc SP. Okay, so we know that URP angle is what? Half of measure of arc PU. So again, he asks me for PRU, which is what? Half of the arc PU. So half of 118 gives me 59. This is 59, guys. He asks me about what? SP arc. And I got this 127. What do you think? We know that this 27 is half of PS or SP. So here I will know this very easily. 27 times 2 to get the whole one. Okay, it will be 54. Easy? I think it's very easy. And here we have find each measure. Okay, this is to check that we understood or not. Find each measure of ADC. So ADC arc. Remember, ADC, let's go. ADC arc. Can you see all of this? Okay, and I got also what? I got also, he asks me also for DAE. DAE here, DAE, this angle. Okay, this angle, very easy. It will be half of what? Of this arc 76. What about here? Arc ADC, ADC. How can I know this? We know, oh, can you see this angle? It's 135. So 135 equal half of what? ADC. So I'm going to do what? I'm going to multiply it by here 2. So you got this is 270. Very easy, right? So let's go to this. We got here something new. Very easy. If inscribed angles of a circle intercept the same arc, so or are subtended by the same chord or arc, then the angles are congruent. What are you talking about? It's very easy, don't panic. If you have, can you see the red here angle ACB, this red one, and angle ADC, the blue one, and angle AEB, the green one. They intercept arc AB. They here, okay, they share the same AB arc, therefore the three angles are congruent. So this is easy, don't panic, don't panic. If the three angles here intercept the same arc, they share the same arc, so they are congruent. It's easy, okay? So they are congruent, okay? And another small thing, if they have here the same or share the same arc, we got here this information, CAE angle, this one, CAE angle, this one, is congruent to this CBE, this one. But let's now focus on the three here above angles. So let's complete. What is this? It's very complicated. No, don't worry. Very easy. An art student, okay, turns in an abstract here design for his art project. Okay, so he asks me here to find measure of DFA. Okay, DFA. DFA. How can I find this one? Let's see together. Okay, so let's focus together. I have here to find measure of DFA, angle DFA, this angle. Okay guys, I have here, can you see this triangle? And I have here what? I have here extended. So remember, this is external angle. We took this on quarter 2. This is external angle. External angle equals the sum of the two remote angles. Remember this? Of course. So this angle equal angle DCF and angle CDF. Both of this triangle, both angles of this triangle. So this is the external. Remember, the external equal the two remote. So I have here this plus this gives me this. External equal 1 plus 2. External angle equal angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay, how can I get angle 1 and angle 2? Angle 1 given. I have here this triangle again, and I have here external angle. Okay, this external angle is required. We need to know this. So it's the sum of this angle plus this angle. This angle given 33. What about this angle? How can I get it? I have here this triangle. This triangle is here in front of this arc, which is 164. So it will be half of 164. Half this 164 gives you what? Gives you here plus 33 gives you 150. So it will be 150. I know that it needs here me to think more than usual, but it's very easy. Remember the external angle here. So the external angle, very easy. External equals the sum of the two remote here or far angles. Okay, So let's complete. I have here to find the measure of angle ABD. ABD. Okay, let's see this together. And measure of arc BC in the string art. ABC, ABD. ABD. So this one required. This one. And what else? BC. BC this time what? BC arc. BC arc. So let's focus, and it's given here 60 degrees, 86, and what else? Let's see. So measure of angle ABD. What do you think, guys? ABD, it's half of what? ABD. So this is half of, this is half of what? This is half of arc AD. Arc AD, this angle half of here AD arc. So half of 86 gives you 43. Very easy, yeah. What about measure of angle CAB? CA asks us for what? For BC. So, and I got here angle CAB. So what? This is half of this one. So if I need this, the big one, I'm going to multiply it by 2. It will be 120. Let's have another question, another theorem here. Very easy too, don't panic. I have here an inscribed angle subtends a semicircle. Semicircle 180 degrees. If and only if the angle is the right angle. So this we have here a very important here condition that you have a right angle. Right angle, so you have here the right angle, so you got here a semicircle. So you got here what? A semicircle. So let's complete this one by using here the problems. Make sure we understand this. We have here, okay, we have here a circle, find A. Oh no, find A. Remember, we have here, this is what? This is a right angle. WZY is a right angle. So here, guys, when I have a right angle, this means what? This means he asks me for A. First of all, I have to know where is A. A here in this what? In this segment. Okay, so how can I find here this? Okay, how can I find here the variable A? I'm going to find this segment. So WZY angle is what? He asks me to find here A. So I will tell him that WZY is 90 degree. So 5A plus 20 is what? Okay, guys, I need you to see thing here. I didn't see. Okay, this here expression, it's not for the side. This is for the angle. Very important point. So this is for the angle. It's not for the side. Here, I didn't see from the drawing. So can you see this? I will enlarge it to us. Oh, this is for just the angle. This is this expression for the angle. So you got here 90 degree equal what? 5A plus 20. So now it's very easy. So 5A equal 90 minus 20 means 70 equal 5A divided 5 divided 5. So this is very easy now. It's 40. Okay. Okay. So this one, let's see this one. He asks me about what here? Find measure LJM. Angle, not arc. This is angle. Again, LJM. And LJM here given as an expression. So, and he gives you here what? LKM, which is 3B. And they share the same arc. So they are equal. So I'm going to use the two expressions that they are, the two angles here are equal. I'm going to put the two expressions making an equation and find B. Very easy, I think it is. Here I have another question. Find Z. Z here is an expression with for the angle. Remember, look at the arc. Look at here, it's here pointed to what? So what do you think? I know this is here a right angle. Why? Because here this here side, this is what, this here for the diameter, it passes here the center of the circle. So I got here 90 degrees, so I'm going to substitute it, z minus 6 equal 90. So z is given here very easily by solving the equation. And this is the same idea here, guys. I have here two angles, and the two angles given by expressions sharing the same here side and the same arc. So I'm going to solve it as equation. Now we are ready to do this. Yes, we are. We are going to have another here theorem. Okay, let's see. If a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, so you got here a quadrilateral inside the circle. So then its opposite angles are supplementary. So I have the opposite angles. This is very easy, guys. Yes, it is. A and C are supplementary. It means that their sum 180 degrees. B and D opposite sides, also what, their sum gives me 180 degrees. Guys, A, B, C, D here is inscribed here in what? In here this circle. Okay, so let's have here some questions. This is easy. I know that you feel now comfortable. So we got here as expressions, and he asks me to find the measures of the angle measures of here at GHJK. So what should I do, guys? Here I know that the sum of the opposites gives me what? Gives me 108 supplementary. I'm going to use the opposite and then get the value of B, find the value of B, find the measure of each angle. This is easy. I think it is. And here you are. This is your homework. Please, this is very easy. Do it and give me the measures of the angles. By this, we have covered the lesson. I think it's very easy. Please do the homework and be sure you understand everything. Thank you for listening. Bye bye, my dear students.